She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Okay, so I've been doing these like beach mermaid crimpy waves lately, and I've been like super obsessed with it, so I want to show you how I do it. First thing I do is I've been using this Grow US Damage Therapy No Wash treatment. Just spray that all over. I think it works as like a heat protectant. You know, like Diptyque candle base, it smells just like that. This is the crimper I use. I got it on Amazon. I'll link it to this video, but I like this crimper. It was pretty cheap. I think it was like 30 or 40 bucks. I like it. It gets really hot pretty fast. I recently just cut my bangs myself. This is what I look like right now. And it got growing out kind of long, like irritating my eyes, so I probably have to like, trim it a little bit more. Originally, I was just gonna let them grow out and then go back to like no bangs, but I kind of love my bangs. I've been really loving this look that I've been doing. First thing I do is I section out the top piece of my hair, and I always start at the top. Not sure why. This is just how I do it. Alright, and then I get the barrel and go in close to my root. So it's gonna flip up right on your root. So it'll show that it's like volumized, and then from there, since it's a 3-barrel, right, you're gonna put the lump back into the third spot, like where that third lump was where you left off. Hold it for a little and then again, so that lump, the start of your new lump goes where your last lump ended. So that's how you're gonna do it for all of your head. I don't really do my hair like in order. I kind of just make it like super sporadic, so it's like not like all together. I want it to be like each individual wave, and then you have to hold it long enough so the curl is like kind of defined. Like if you don't leave it long enough, then your curl won't be as defined. So you have to let the heat do its thing.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine.
And then for like the lower layers, I also don't start at the root. I used to start at the root and realize that my hair was getting too like fluffy.
All right, I don't want to alarm anybody, but Monica's hair is twice as big as it was when we landed.
But now I just start in the middle and go down from there for the lower layers.
I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder.
Grab that and hold it up a little. Like you don't want to pull on it, because then like as that's cooling, it'll like straighten out a little bit, so you want to hold it up.
I don't know what got me down. Drum blows, yeah, I got the drum blows, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah.
Okay, so I changed into a different color shirt so you can see my hair better. I felt like I had too much black over here. Same thing on this side. I'll put the lump on the top next to my root. So it kind of takes a long time. It's kind of like a long process just because you have to like overlap, but worth. And this hairstyle usually lasts me a couple days. I usually do my hair like on the first day after I wash it, and then it'll go like 2 or 3 days before I wash it again. And then yeah, my curls usually last through the whole cycle. But I do braid my hair at night while I sleep, just the bottom, because I don't like my dirty hair touching my pillowcase, or like my pillow where I put my face. So I braid my hair so it's like not messy and dirty. And then sometimes like I always miss the ends, so I'll just go and do all the ends together just so they don't look like they're straight. Then my bangs, they usually irritate my eyes, so I'll like move them out of the way, but when I'm like trying to take a pic or something or like look cute, I'll bring them back in. See? Very natural looking. I feel like it kind of looks like a perm. People think that I have a perm right now, which is nice. This is how I've been doing my hair lately. I love my hair so much, and I love my bangs. Even though they're like not that good, because I did cut them myself, but I'm obsessed with this look. Hope you enjoyed the video.